Leos, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. This reading is for the Leos for the month of April 2021. This is a situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. If you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets in India, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have an energy consultation and Vastu, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so yeah. Leos, new beginning is on the horizon for you. Some major new beginnings are on the horizon for you, Leos. Okay, which is very good. You feel that there is a lack of trust into a situation. Okay, related to either your family life, either your relationship, or either your, career or your professional life. You feel alone, you feel isolated, you feel sad, you feel pain, but you don't show it, like crying alone and being happy with everyone. It's like that. Okay, so yeah, you are feeling like traveling somewhere. Okay, you want to travel, you want to explore, you want to shift, you want to relocate. Okay, so yeah, and you want to have a heart to heart communication with someone. Okay, which is not happening, a true communication. You feel disappointed into a situation, guys. Okay, so yeah, you are the healer of your own. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, and angel guardians are protecting you right now. You have a lot of sense of realizations about yourself and about the people around you. You feel stressed out and disappointed sometimes. You feel bad when someone compares you with someone else, and that really disappoints you. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, amazing. Okay, so there is a major imbalance going on within yourself and outside world. Okay, there is juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decision. Your heart says something, but outside world, how society is. Okay, so outside world will be very different. The thinking of the outside world and the community will be very different. You are a very innocent soul. Okay, but you have certain sort of guilts related to a situation. Okay, that really piss you off sometimes. Okay, yes. You feel that you think and you feel and you listen beyond illusion. Like you can see beyond illusions, beyond the reality. You can see the things. Okay, what is the actual truth, which is very good. Okay, so yeah, yes, you want to travel, shift, relocate. Okay, so that is there. Some of you might be dealing with karmic relationship which will come to an end soon. It is not happening right now, but it will take time. Within next 4 to 5 months it will come to an end. Okay, you want to achieve certain goals, and this is a right time for you to achieve the goals. Okay, related to a career or a relationship. Okay, so whatever you are thinking, do it. Okay, whatever the goal you will be thinking about, this is the right time to achieve it in the month of April. Okay, you are not an emotional person, you are a very practical person. You are waiting for something, some sort of major breakthrough related to career or your financial life, or waiting for your person. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, so whatever waiting is going on, you are just waiting. You're not taking action, you're not doing anything, you're just waiting. Okay, you are no more confused about certain things, certain situations. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity. I just want to tell you, trust your intuition level a lot, because your intuition is guiding you. Your angel guardians are with you currently, and they are guiding you to take the right step. Okay, and Leos especially are very intuitionally are very strong. Okay, so just focus on your intuition level, because that will guide you correct. Okay, so yes, you feel that you are stuck into a situation, into a problem which which disappoints you, and you want to get away from it. In the month of April, you might not get away from the karmic relationship, but within next 5 months you might end a karmic relationship with certain people who are karmic to you. Okay, and I think you know that who are karmic to you. Okay, so there is up and down issues are going on into your married life, family life. Okay, and I think there are certain things which you feel which cannot be achieved. Okay, so whatever problems are going on into your family life, I think this is a divine thing. Okay, this is a universal thing. Universe has its own plan in your destiny. Okay, so universe is playing a major part into your life. Okay, so do not think bad about it. It's just a go with the flow thing. Okay, just trust yourself, self love, self care in this process. If two people are into separation, that's okay, but trust yourself, love yourself more, care about yourself more, make yourself a priority even if you are in separation. Okay, care about yourself more as compared to others, because that really heals the process, okay, of spirituality. And you are overthinking certain things about certain people, right? You try to remove all the obstacles. You sometimes a lot, in the month of April you will try to remove the obstacles which is coming into your way. Okay, you will be, you will be solving a lot of issues of people around, or your own issues, or the people around you. Okay, so yeah, that is what true. Okay, you are going through some major healing. Divine timing is playing its role. Okay, so there is something happening into your personal life related to your married life which is happening at a divine timing. And I think in your professional life also there is something, a major breakthrough is about to come, which is happening because of the divine timing. Okay, you are loving yourself, you are caring about yourself, you are nowadays prioritizing yourself, which is very good. You feel that there are certain karmic connections or people are around you who are, very manipulative or very disgusting or very sneaky energies, who took advantage of you or who used you. Okay, and you want to get away from this situation. Okay, that's the thing, which is very good. You want that certain things should come to an end. Okay, either in your personal life, in your relationship, certain problems, certain patterns comes to an end, or else a relationship should come to an end. So you are waiting for some sort of an ending. So endings and new beginnings won't be happen in a month of I think April. It will take time. In the upcoming months it will happen. Okay, so yeah, you feel weak into a situation currently. Okay, sometimes you feel very weak into a situation, Leos. That's the problem. Something is about to shatter your life. A major change is about to happen into your life. Trust me, in the month of April, like that will shook you off guard. Okay, so in the upcoming weeks something major will happen. Okay, and someone is coming towards you with an offer of love, or something is rushing towards you. Okay, so yeah, it might be a career, or it might be the past person you are dealing with, or a marriage, or the person you have married to. Okay, so yeah, or you want relationship with someone is coming. You feel stuck into a situation. Okay, there's a confusion going on between head and heart. What are you supposed to do, how you're supposed to do? There is a dominating energy you feel. Okay, like someone's father is very dominating or irritating, so that's what you feel. But yeah, something is coming to, something major changes are about to happen. You will, that will take you off guard. Okay, a tarot moment will be happening in your life. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. What are the universal message for the same? Okay, sorry guys, sorry. Okay, this is 3. One more I want. Okay, let me take it. Okay, so the first message for you is that true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. Wow. The second universal message is, when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. Wow. The third message, I choose to learn through love. Wow. Fourth, obstacles are detours in the right direction. Whatever obstacles you'll be facing, that will guiding you to the right direction. Trust me, whatever you are learning, whatever you are on the path, that path is correct for you, Leos. Okay, and trust me, guardian angels is protecting you. and whatever is happening in your life, it's a universal thing, okay? Like it's the destiny, it's your destiny, okay? And always I've seen that who goes on a, you know, divine path, spirituality, they have a very different altogether different destiny as compared to the other normal people or other individuals, okay? So yeah, I hope you like this reading, but before that, let me tell you what are the angels telling you. Angels, angel guardians, what are they guiding you for? Okay, okay. So the first message is in honesty. You are always honest, Leos, mostly, okay? So they say, I am honest in thought, word and deeds, okay? Whatever you do, do it with honesty in the month of April. Serenity. I am serene and still. Serenity means that as you become deeply serene and still, you connect to the higher powers of the universe for your divine guidance, and your path in life is becoming smooth and flowing. Wow. The third is Archangel Chamuel. My heart is filled with the flame of love. So whatever, you know, open your heart chakra, you know, be connected to the other people, okay? Talk to strangers. It's like, you know, trust me, the more you will connect with the people around you or the new people, trust me, it will help you a lot to heal your heart chakra, okay? Whatever is happening due to into your personal life, okay? So it will heal you and universe will guide you in a correct and a right path, guys, okay? So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Leos. Bye bye, take care.